Hi friends, Miss Janet here from the Stouffville Library, and I have a STEM activity for you today. The activity is to make an egg carton goldfish. So all you need to do is go to your recycling bin maybe and find an egg carton, and you're just going to cut out one section. Don't use an end section. You need to use one that is not directly at the end. So you're just going to cut it apart and cut apart. So you have one section. So it needs 3 of the indents. And then just trim it. Trim it down somewhat so that it would sit flat. So just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then you're going to paint it. I've chosen yellow paint, but maybe you have orange paint or yellow paint or whatever color of paint. And hopefully you have matching colored tissue paper because you're going to need this for the tail and the fin. So paint your egg carton whatever color it is, and I've painted mine yellow. And then you're going to get some tissue paper in a matching color, and you're going to need to cut 3 pieces of tissue. You will need to cut 2 of your pieces approximately 6 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So I wasn't exact, but I just kind of used my ruler and eyeballed it. So 2 are going to be 6 by 10, and 1 piece will be 13 by 10. So 1 bigger one for the tail and 2 smaller ones for the fins on the sides. And then if you have white pom-poms, that's the perfect thing to use for eyes, but I didn't have white pom-poms, so I used 2 white cotton balls. And then you're going to need 2 smaller pom-poms, black if you have them, but I didn't have black, so I used purple. So for the pupils of the eyes. And then you're going to need half of a pink pipe cleaner, and you're just going to wind it around your finger, and that will be put on your goldfish. So I'm going to show you my completed one. So I've got the smaller pieces on the side and a longer one for the tail, and there you can see the eyes and the mouth of my goldfish. Mine is a yellow fish, but maybe you have orange, so you can make an actual goldfish. Orange goldfish, yellow goldfish, doesn't matter. So I hope that you have fun. Just make sure, I didn't mention, but it's obvious, after you have painted your egg carton, you do need to let that paint dry, and then the only other thing you're going to need is some glue. So get an egg carton, some tissue paper, some paint and glue, scissors, a ruler, and some pom-poms, and half of a pipe cleaner. And there you have it. You can make your little fish who's going to just swim in the water. So have fun doing that. I had fun making mine, painting and gluing, and I hope you create a goldfish today. Have an awesome day, and I will see you soon.